timelines before listing a home. So a question that I often get asked by people is, what is the timeline when selling my home? What should I expect? After working with hundreds of sellers here in Mason County, it's a question I get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Angela Barnes with Remax Top Executives. You will need to get the home ready for sale. You really need to be careful not to just slap it on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. I will go over with you all the things I feel that you need to do prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. So after you meet with us and you've decided to list with us, we will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we will help you get your home in show-ready condition. Then we will schedule our professional photographers to go into your home and capitalize on all the unique features of it. Once we have the pictures and all the videos, we will then work on the back end of the digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please note, just posting it on your Facebook page or business page, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. So we need to properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. We also go over all the disclosures so that you have all of that available to buyers to actually look at so they can fully be aware of the condition of your home before making an offer. Don't forget, we go on all the major sites, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, you name it, and we're there. And we've enhanced the sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling you to take their clients through your home so that they can see it. The buyer's agent will be with them, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of the year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. Please give me a call, Angela Barnes, Remax Top Executives.